Hello dear friends, in this video, we will talk about an amazing artificial intelligence website. In an era where technology is rapidly advancing, artificial intelligence has also started to show its impact in the world of art. Artists, designers, and musicians are expanding their creativity and producing unique works using AI-supported tools. One of these innovative tools is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a discovery path for anyone who wants to develop creative projects. Those working in fields such as art, design, music, and many more can bring their ideas to life using this platform. The tools provided by the platform make it possible to create various works, from texts to images and animated photos. Most importantly, with Leonardo, you can earn money online through different methods. The foundation of Leonardo AI is artificial intelligence algorithms that work with deep learning techniques. These algorithms produce unique and engaging works based on the inputs given by users. For example, you can create an image based on a piece of text. The platform appeals to users of all levels thanks to its user-friendly interface. Experienced artists can further develop their creativity with the available tools, while beginners can explore in the inspiring environment offered by the platform. Leonardo AI represents the rise of artificial intelligence in the art world and offers its users unlimited creative potential. Thanks to this platform, everyone can create their own unique art pieces and push the boundaries of art. Let me show you how to sign up on the Leonardo website. By the way, we have shared the link to the Leonardo site in the description section, where you can easily find it, click on it, and be directed to the website. After arriving at the website, you will click on the Launch App or Get Started button. On the page that opens, there is a Sign Up button at the bottom, which you will click. Then, the screen will look as shown, and you can sign up with your email or with your Apple, Microsoft, or Google account. Once you sign up, you will have access to your panel. On the main page, you can see designs from different users. If you click on a design you like and then click the Generate button, you can design an image with those features. There are many styles to choose from, such as anime style, realistic styles that look like photographs, and more. You select the style you want to create from those options. Alternatively, you can click on Image Generation or Real-Time Generation on the left side to create designs. Let's provide some examples right away. I'll show it via real-time generation. After clicking on Real-Time Generation and arriving at the page, you will see a screen like this. Here, you will give a command for the image you want to create. You need to write it in English. If you don't know English very well, you can prepare it in your own language and translate it into English using Google Translate, then copy and paste it here. The AI will automatically create the image. There may be small errors, or it may not be exactly as you want, so you can give different commands until you achieve the desired result. I wrote something like this. As you can see, it created the image. You can do it this way. At the top right, there is a download button from where you can download your design to your computer. Here, you can choose the style of the image, whether it should be in dynamic style, anime style, product style, cinematic style, and so on. You can select and try different options multiple times. If you click on the Creative Upscale button, it can slightly enhance the quality. You can pay attention to these details yourself, but you don't necessarily have to. It's entirely up to you. This was the real-time feature. Now, let's move to design by clicking on the Image Generator button. The logic here is the same. You write a command and convert it into an image. However, here you need to spend coins or tokens. It gives 150 free tokens daily. Designing an image costs between 8 and 16 tokens. So, you can create an average of 10 to 15 free designs per day. It might vary slightly, but as you saw earlier, if you use the real-time feature, it's completely free and without tokens, meaning you can make unlimited free designs. Before creating a sample design, let me talk about the pricing. If you want to do high-level work, the prices are very affordable. As you can see, it starts at $12 per month. If you pay annually, it drops to $10. And you can see the tokens. The $12 package gives 8,500 tokens per month. That averages to 283 tokens per day. The platform already gives 150 free tokens daily, which amounts to 4,500 tokens per month. So, keep this in mind. If you don't need extra tokens, you can continue as is. If you plan to make more designs than usual, the prices are very reasonable. Everything is at your fingertips. Just look at the designs, and they offer this to you for free. In the future, you might consider switching to a paid package to support the developers, even if it's just once. But of course, it's not mandatory. You can see how it goes. Anyway, let's return to design in the image generator. Here, you can select the style, quality, image size, and number of designs. As the number of designs increases, the tokens required also increase, and you pay more. For example, one design costs 10 tokens, 2 designs cost 15 tokens, and 3 designs cost 20 tokens. You can proceed this way. Let's make a sample design. Look, friends, you can proceed like this. Try it out at home. Design your own creations. You can share the designs you make on YouTube as short videos. Here, you can make the photos animated by paying extra tokens. You need to hold the image and make a motion video. This feature costs 25 tokens. If you don't want to make it animated, you can download the images from here and convert them into a slide video on Canva or similar websites. Each design will be enough for 3 to 4 seconds. You can upload your slide video as a short on YouTube or TikTok, increase your subscribers, and eventually enable monetization to start earning money. Additionally, you can get jobs as a designer on freelancer websites. You can print designs on t-shirts and sell them. There are many more opportunities. You can create excellent works this way. We have covered the important parts, friends. You can find the website link in the description section. Our link is an affiliate link, and if you sign up by clicking on our link and later upgrade your account to higher packages, it will contribute to us as well. We wanted to inform you about this. Friends, you can also make progress by conducting your own research on such topics. That's it for this video, dear friends. We will try to bring you similar videos. See you, goodbye.